The most useful AI you've never heard of just arrived, and it isn't another chatbot or coding assistant, it's a full-time digital coworker. Anthropic has quietly launched Claude CoWork an agentic AI tool that fundamentally shifts how we interact with machines, moving from chat-based Q&A to genuine task execution, and it might be the most practical and powerful AI release of the year. For years, the promise of AI has been automation, yet most tools still operate like a junior employee who needs their hand held. You ask, they answer, you copy-paste. CoWork breaks this cycle. Built on the same underlying technology as Anthropic's powerful Claude Code, CoWork reimagines the AI as a proactive, desktop-based agent capable of executing multi-step workflows directly on your local machine. It doesn't just summarize your files, it reads the contents of an entire folder, synthesizes the information, and outputs a formatted report directly into Word or Excel without you lifting a finger. This distinction, moving from passive conversation to active execution, is why experts are calling it a genuine evolution in AI. As the team at Anthropic put it, this is the natural next step. First we had chat for answers, then Claude Code for developers, and now CoWork to bring that execution power to everyone. So, what can this digital coworker actually do? In essence, if a task requires you to open more than 3 files or repeat the same action more than a couple of times, CoWork can likely handle it. Imagine you have a folder stuffed with meeting transcripts, competitor PDFs, and rough notes. Instead of spending your morning digesting it all, you simply grant CoWork access to that folder and prompt it to read everything, extract the 3 main risks, and format them into a slide deck. It doesn't just give you a block of text to paste, it hands you a finished PPTX or docs file. Early adopters are using it for tasks ranging from drafting marketing content and reviewing legal documents to summarizing weekly sales data and even automatically generating financial models. It effectively transforms your local file system from a static storage locker into a dynamic workspace where the AI does the heavy lifting. However, what truly makes CoWork a most useful contender is its recent upgrade, plugins. While the base version is a powerful generalist, plugins allow CoWork to become a specialist. Think of them as employee handbooks for the AI, telling it exactly which databases to query, what your internal terminology is, and how your specific department likes things done. Anthropic has open-sourced 11 of its own plugins for roles like sales, legal, and finance. A sales plugin, for instance, can connect Claude directly to your CRM and knowledge base, encode your specific sales process, and automate prospect research and follow-ups. For enterprise users, this means your AI agent doesn't just know things, it knows your specific workflows and executes them with consistency, effectively turning an individual employee into a team of one. This utility hasn't gone unnoticed by the market. In fact, the reaction to CoWork was so intense that it triggered a massive sell-off in software stocks, an event analysts grimly dubbed the SaaSpocalypse. Investors realized that if an AI agent can perform the tasks of an entry-level knowledge worker, sifting through spreadsheets, drafting reports, managing inboxes, the demand for traditional, per-seat software licenses could evaporate. The logic is brutal but sound. If your AI agent can do the work, why are you still paying for 10 human licenses? This existential threat to the SaaS business model is why Microsoft scrambled to integrate the same technology into its 365 suite, branded as Copilot CoWork, while standalone tools like Claude CoWork offer a flexible, low-cost alternative for power users and small teams. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and CoWork is not without its risks. Because it has direct access to your file system, a misunderstood prompt could theoretically lead to destructive commands, like deleting files. Anthropic has built-in safeguards. The AI asks for permission before executing any major action, and it shows you its chain of thought, so you can see exactly what it plans to do before it does it. However, experts warn that users must still exercise caution, as the tool is currently in a research preview, and not yet foolproof against prompt injection attacks where a malicious file could trick the AI. Despite these growing pains, the consensus is clear. Claude CoWork represents a massive leap forward in utility. It bridges the frustrating gap between AI that talks and AI that does. By combining the reasoning power of the new Claude Sonnet 4.6 model, which has shown human-level capability in navigating complex software. With the ability to act directly on your desktop, CoWork finally delivers on the long-standing promise of the AI agent. Whether it's organizing your messy downloads folder or preparing your weekly report while you sleep, this is the first AI tool that feels less like a search engine and more like a colleague who actually gets the job done.